Trump Tower, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the Green Beret ended it all, right in front of the entrance. We're going to walk over there, check it out. You can still see there is a police presence. We're going to go walk over here, see what it looks like after the explosion. This is it, Trump Las Vegas. This is what the lobby looks like. As you can see, the blast is still up there. Wow, look at that. Incredible. The doors are fine though, with the blast. Wow. Look at that. Nothing on the concrete though. Wow.